Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we're going to start building a simple point-of-sale system in Python using PyCharm. Let's start by clicking New Project, confirming our environment settings, and hitting Create. Once our virtual environment is ready, we'll right-click on the project folder in the directory tree, navigate to New, and select Python file. We'll name this file POS system. Now, let's start coding. We'll define a class called POS system. Inside our initializer method, we are going to initialize our store's inventory. We'll use a dictionary where the keys are the item codes, like 101, 102, and so on. And the values are nested dictionaries containing the item's name, price, and current stock level. Here, we're adding some classic coffee shop staples: Americanos, espressos, iced lattes, macchiatos, and Irish coffee. With our inventory set up, we need a way to show it to the user. Let's define a new method called displayMenu. First, we'll print a simple header. Then we'll write a for loop so we can iterate through both the item codes and their corresponding details. Inside the loop, we use an F string to cleanly print out the item code, the name of the drink, its price, and how many we have in stock.